Factory reset, hard reset. This is the Blu G33, easy to identify. 2 cameras, texture on the back, and this is how we factory reset it or hard reset it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Press volume up first, then power. We're going to keep holding. We're waiting for the blue logo to show up, and then we can let go, just like that. And then all we're going to do is wait for the Android recovery menu to show up right there. And now with the volume keys, we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, press OK with power. Recognize that we're going to wipe all user data, which means everything on the phone is going to be erased, and this cannot be undone. Scroll down once, choose Factory Data Reset, press OK with power. We'll wait here for the data wipe to be complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system. Now keep in mind, if you've set up your Blu G33 with your Gmail or Google account, you will still 100% need your Google or Gmail login and password, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device or Find My Phone security software inside your device. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.